Hey guys, I'm Reid Sondgeroth. I'm a sophomore here at Monmouth College from Peoria, Illinois, and I'm going to show you my room in Winbigler Hall. This is the way I have my room set up in Winbigler. I don't have a roommate, but if you do have a roommate, you can set your bed up on each side. Each person has their own closet, their own dresser for their clothes. I have 2 desks, so I take advantage of that. Over here I have my gaming chair, my gaming setup, and then I like to show off my shoes, especially my Nike Air Maxes. So Winbigler Hall, you do have communal bathrooms, so everybody in the hall shares the same bathroom. You have your showers, your sinks, your toilets, everything like that. In the basement, you can do your laundry. You have a space to cook if you like to do that. And now I'm going to go show you one of my favorite spots in Winbigler. So this is the lounge in Winbigler Hall. As you can see, it's a great hangout spot. You have your pool table. If you want to come down, set up your Xbox, hang out with friends, maybe a FIFA or a 2K tournament, this is a great spot for that. And also if you just want to come down, chill, have some quiet hours, do some homework, there's some desks down here. So it's a great place to hang out, meet your peers in Winbigler Hall.